We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for real estate agents to streamline your work and enhance client interactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, think about how you can use ChatGPT in your daily real estate tasks. For instance, you can use it to draft emails to clients by typing out the basic details and asking ChatGPT to create a professional email. This can save you time and ensure your communication is clear and effective. Next, when preparing property listings, input the key features of the property into ChatGPT and ask it to generate an engaging description. This can help in making your listings more appealing to potential buyers. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm marketing strategies by asking for ideas on how to promote a new listing or how to engage more with your community. When dealing with client queries, ChatGPT can assist in providing quick and informative responses. Simply type out the client's question and let ChatGPT help formulate a thorough answer. This tool can be especially useful during busy periods when you need to multitask. Additionally, consider using ChatGPT for research purposes. If you need more information on real estate trends or market analysis, ask ChatGPT to summarize the latest insights or reports. This can keep you informed and ahead of the game. Remember, the key is to integrate ChatGPT into your workflow to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.